How to send large files using Google Drive without limit. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me guide you through quick steps on how you can send large files using Google Drive without limit. Well, to do so, you can first install Google Drive and open it up and log into your account. You can simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom and you can select upload file option. You can either browse it from your phone or you can select directly photos, videos and select any photos or videos if it is so. However, either way, tap on browse and select the particular file that you would like to upload. Now, since it is large, it'll take some time to upload. Once it is uploaded, you'll find it right here on your screen. Tap on the three dots at the top, at the right hand side, beside uploaded file, and tap on manage access, and you want to set it to anyone with the link, right? Then you can simply tap on three dots again, and you can either share it directly or copy link, and you can paste the link and share it. So this is how you can easily send large files using Google Drive without any limits. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.